Hi, and welcome to Knowledgewit. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox in the most simplest and easiest way possible. And you can run Kali Linux in your system in less than a minute. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, first of all, you will have to navigate to the official website of the Kali Linux to download the VirtualBox image. So, you can find this link in the description of this video. Here you have to select virtual machines option. After clicking on virtual machines, you can see there are several images for virtual machines also. Here you have to select VirtualBox or VMware as per your choice. I'm going with the VirtualBox option, and you can download this image either from the torrent or directly in the browser. To directly download this image in the browser, just click on the VirtualBox logo or anywhere in this card. After clicking, you can see there's a 7Z extension file, which is a compressed file. Here you can see that I have already downloaded the Kali Linux VirtualBox image, and after downloading, you have to extract this image, and here the extraction completed in my system. Inside this folder, you can see there's a VBox file and there's a virtual disk file. Okay, so now move on to the VirtualBox. You can see there's no Kali Linux here. So in order to add the Kali Linux here, just click on add, and you have to select and locate where you have extracted this. Here in my case, it is inside the Kali Linux folder, and you have to select the VBox extension file. Okay. After selecting, you can see here Kali Linux comes. That's it. The Kali Linux is now installed in your VirtualBox. You only have to click on start to run this. Here you can see that the Kali Linux is started. Click enter. Wait for a few seconds. It will depend on your laptop's or computer's hardware, how much time it will take to boot up. Finally, the login page appears. Here the default credentials page Kali and Kali means that the username and password both are Kali. Click on login and you will land to the Kali Linux. So that's all for the installation of the Kali Linux inside VirtualBox. See you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to the Knowledgewit, and yes, in the next video you will find out how to full screen this